Hello YouTubers, I hope you are doing good. Today we will see how to make your own CO2 diffuser for your planted aquarium. So things we need here to make it is some bio rings. Those can be used or new. Only one is enough. Then we need some CO2 tubing or CO2 pipe. Make sure it is meant for CO2, otherwise it will get damaged over the period. So I'm using some hydraulics quality CO2 tube here, and you need some seal or equivalent, okay, which actually kind of a sealant, or you can say it's a cement kind of a thing. So these two you have to mix, and two parts you have to mix, and then we need to use that while we seal the tube inside the bio ring. Okay, so how to do it is, suppose you take this bio ring and you need to block one hole from here using this sealant or seal, and you need to block one side, and the other side you need to insert the tubing here. Okay, so it goes like this. Let me take another one. So another hole you need to insert this tubing here, and it will look something like this. Okay, and then this particular side should be sealed with seal, so there is no leak or bigger air bubbles. Okay, and then the remaining seal you should put it here, so gas doesn't come out from this side. So after you finish it, it will take one or 2 days to dry up. So you can see it is entirely dried up now, and now I'm going to test it in my aquarium, and I will share the video. I hope this will save a lot of money for buying the CO2 tubing. Also, this will never get clogged. Okay, hi everyone. This is a DIY diffuser I have made, so it's very easy to make.